Hello students, today we are here to discuss basics of linear equation. But before we start today's lecture, let me introduce my institute and myself before you. EduNotech Private Limited is an institute which works toward betterment of students' academic career. We do not behave like a typical coaching institute, but we behave like a guiding force in their career. We also hold various level scholarship competitive examination, not only to give competitive exposure to the student but also to support students all across the country, including the remotest area, financially and with better educational quality. I am Shubha Patel and I am currently pursuing BTech from JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida. It is an AKTU affiliated college and I have completed my schooling from Delhi Public School, Allahabad. Students, today we are here to discuss substitution method. Okay, so what is a substitution method? Now, the word substitution itself suggests that we have to substitute values. What does it suggest? We have to substitute values. What does substituting mean? Substituting means to replace. Okay, substituting means to replace. So, linear equation in two variables, we have to replace one variable and find the answer for the other one. What are the steps? Write these steps down. Find equation for x from one equation. That means there are linear equations given. To solve linear equation in two variable, minimum two equations must be there so as to solve the question. Otherwise, it is not possible to solve linear equation in two variables. So, we have these two equations given to us. The first step says find equation for x from one equation. Choose any one equation and find the value of x. I am choosing this equation. What is the value of x? X is equals to 3 plus y. Now it is saying replace the x in other equation and solve. So I have to replace x in this equation and solve for it. So x in this equation will be replaced as 3 plus y by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 6. Now it is saying to solve it. How to solve? Solve it like a simple equation. Take LCM. What is the LCM? 6 is the LCM. So 36 x plus 5y is equals to 36. 5y is equal to 36 minus 6, 30. That means y is equals to 5. Now we know that y is equals to 5. So this, replace it here. Then x will become, x is equals to 3 plus 5. X will become 8. This is how you solve through substitution method. We will take another example how to do it. First, I would request you to write down these steps. Okay. What is the first step? Find equation for x from one of the equations given to you and then replace that x in the other equation and find the value. Okay. Now we have equation in front of us. X plus 5 is equals to 3. 4x minus 3y is equals to 26. Linear equation in two variable, two equations are given, so that means to find the solution is possible. To finding the solution, it is possible for us. Replace one variable. So I will replace x, very common practice. Now put x here. So 4, 3 minus y minus 3y is equals to 26. 12 minus 4y minus 3y is 26. 12 minus 7y is equals to 26. 12 minus 26 is equals to 7y. 12 minus 26 is 14. But the sign is minus because 26 is greater than 12. Is equals to 7y. That means y is equals to 2. Now y is equals to 2. And we know x is equals to 3 minus y. So x become 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. This is how we solve substitution method. Now we will have another example. Why substitution method is important? Because ultimately in solving linear equation, you will do this only to solve equation at the end where one variable is left. Now we have another question in front of us. Let us use that. 7x minus 2y by xy is equals to 5. The other equation is 8x plus 7y plus by xy is equals to 15. First of all, we have to simplify it. So let us simplify. 7x minus 3y is equals to 5xy, and here 8x plus 7y is equals to 15xy. We know if we will transfer this here, the sign will change. Now, is this a linear equation? Tell me, is this a linear equation? No, students, it is not a linear equation. Why? Because the highest degree of any term here is 2. 1 here and 1 here. That means the highest degree is 2. It is not a linear equation. Okay, what to do now? Because till now we have only learned how to solve linear equation in 2 variables. In such kind of equations, we have to substitute values. How can we substitute values? We have to see here. xy has been transferred here and it has become 5xy, and here xy is transferred, it has become 15xy. So, now what we'll do here is to remove this xy somehow. We don't know how, but we have to remove. If this xy is removed, then this will become a normal linear equation for us. How to remove this xy? If we would have opened it here only, 7x by xy, 2y by xy, then x would have been cancelled and we were left by 7 by y. We will do it here. We did it so much so as to understand which kind of equation can be solved by conventional method and which kind of equations requires more tricks to solve. So 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equals to 5. 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equals to 15. X and x will be cancelled. Y and y will be cancelled. X and x will be cancelled. Y and y will be cancelled. Now what we are left with? We are left with 7 by y minus 2 by x is equals to 5. 8 by y plus 7 by x is equals to 15. Now, if we suppose that 1 by y is a and 1 by x is b, then this equation will become linear equation. Because what is 7 by y? 7 by y is ultimately 7 into 1 by y. We have replaced as per our convenience 1 by y is equals to a, and we will not forget this. We will not forget that we have replaced it. We will use it in further process. Now this becomes 7a minus 2b is equals to 5. 8a plus 7b is equals to 15. Now if we are able to solve this equation, then we will get the values of a and b and we will substitute the value of a and b to get x and y. Here we have done double substitution. First we replaced 1 by y by a and b, and then a and b are again replaced here so as to get the value of x and y. So let us remember these equations. What are the equations in front of us? 7a minus 2b is equals to 5. 8a plus 7b is equals to 15, where 1 by y was a and 1 by x was b. Now solve this like a normal substitution. What is a? A is 5 plus 2b by 7. So here I have to replace it by 5 plus 2b by 7 plus 7b is equals to 15. 40 plus 16b. LCM is 7, so this will become 49b. And 15 into 7 will go here. What is 15 into 7? 105. Okay, so 40, 49, 59, 65b is equals to 105. 65b is 105 minus 40. 105 minus 40. This will give 65. So b is 1. Now we know b is 1. So we have to substitute b here. This will become 5 plus 2 by 7, that is 1. Now a is 1 and b is 1. Again substitute them here. A is 1, so y will also become 1 here. And b is 1, so x is also 1. So this is how we solve double substitution questions. Thank you students for watching our video.